Ah, woohoo! Mingo, mingo, mingo. Oh. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Go. No, ito.
Schedule yung sira ng ng flood control project. Malong kasi sa Arnan yan. So ganun yung di ba nasa nasa legislature eh. So ngayon, kung kunwari, ako si legislature, ako si congressman, if I want to be potent about it, kung feeling ko, tutulong-tulong si governor, si mayor, si local, executive hierarchy, if I am going to suggest na i-prioritize to, my course of action should be to get the agreement of all the local, of the executive hierarchy before I talk to DPWH. Diba? That's the most prudent way to do it. Ginawa ba yun ni Panaligan? Nagtatagal kay Panaligan. Hindi politics to politics to. Yeah, I understand. I think
Okay.
all politicians are going to use this issue in order to get some
Thanks.
for themselves. Yun nga yung doon ako yun nga yung inaano kaya parang muna natin yung let's just recognize kung nasan yung mga gaps. Huwag mo na yung parang nandun na tayo pinopolitika sa Panaligan, ganyan. Pero kung ikaw ay isang congressman na nagsasadya sa DPWH kung ano ang uunahin niya, hindi mo naman rule yun, congressman ka. Exactly. Ano naman role yun ng executive hierarchy. Okay? Sila dapat ang nagde-determine. Dahil sila ang naghahawak ng day-to-day work. Okay? Sa gobyerno, dahil sila yung nakaharap sa tao.
Hello.
Kung congressman ka, kung senador ka, at gusto mo unahin to, hindi ba na ang content na dapat gawin ni congressman, ni senator, or whoever is to get to talk to the local executive and convince them that this is something that is really important. Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi ganun eh. Walang ganun eh. Pagka sinadjust na ni congressman, yun na eh. Parang ang nangyayari, mas powerful pa sila pagdating sa identification ng project kaysa din sa executive hierarchy.
Kailangan maayos yun. Kasi hindi tayo matatapos dito eh. It's just gonna be like that. Lalo na kapag may gap pa yan, wala na. It's gonna be, pare-pareho lang. Wala, either tayo ang mag-give up dahil sawa na tayo sa ganitong problema, or sila because, na-pinpoint natin and we wanted them to really do something about it. In which case, we have to ask them.
Alam mo tawag dito, you got me into thinking. Dapat, dito sa flood control project issue na to, meron tayong ground rules. No?
Yes.
Dapat natin, i-bring natin to sa attention ng lahat, across political colors. Okay?
Yes.
Dapat meron tayong ground rules dito. Okay. We can talk about, pag itong debate natin to, itong pag-aaway natin, okay? We can talk about 2022 up until, dapat may mga limits. Ayan. para yung mga political agenda ninyo ma-manage. Yung mga political agenda ma-manage. So from 2022 to 2025, yan ang pag-uusapan natin. Kasi yan yung na-raise ni Bongbong eh. Di ba? Yan yung
Yes.
na-raise ni Bongbong. So dapat yung discussion natin limited to 2022 to
Limit.
2025.
Ah.
Oo. Pagkatapos,